We're Outreach Robotics. We develop out-of-the-box robotic solution for drones to be able to achieve impossible tasks, especially in the forestry, infrastructure inspection, and biodiversity sectors. The Mamba, which is a tool that's able to interact with vertical surfaces and collect plants on cliffs. We have the power to be able to collect the seeds on the last remaining individuals and be able to reproduce them. And the last step would be to reintroduce them in nature. But most of them, if like humans do nothing, will just go extinct. So if there's a solution with a drone where you could basically in 5 minutes fly from another cliff to get there and bring back a plant, that for them it's like a game-changing tool. The drone needs to be at a safe distance from the cliff, high wind environment, high disturbances. So you need a safe distance, but you need to get close enough to be able to capture like a very tiny sample.
You need to make a tool that is able to sustain contact, that is really easy to use so that anybody without any robotic training would be able to use.
They want us to put the solution into real dirt and like the real stuff outside, and it needs to work.
When the mechanical team comes to us and show what are their needs for a specific project, like having Altium really gives us confidence, because we know that if it's doable from an electronic standpoint, like we'll be able to do it with Altium. I consider the EDA program that we use as a pillar for the company. I found Altium so much intuitive when compared to other platforms. Altium would be the go-to for the EDA design. I can tell you that some of my boards are wired 80% using Polygon 4. Like without Altium, no way I'm doing this. The other thing is probably the library. So as Altium is probably the most used EDA in the world, there's really a lot of people who are sharing their libraries. So it's rather easy to find like a component, even if it's not like a classical component. What takes the more time within an EDA software for me is to build a library if I'm starting from scratch a new project. So if you can get access to that whole library, have like one library for all your projects, so you can just pick a part or upload a part to that library and then use it on any other projects you want to. So that's a really nice feature.
Naturally, I think in all business, there's like a scale-up moment where you need to just rush. And to do that, you need the best tools. Altium Launchpad program has enabled us to install the right tools for us from the beginning.
We can do basically anything with Altium, and this is one of the reasons that we chose Altium at the forefront.
We can, as an engineer, have a good impact on all the challenge we'll be facing in the future as a society.